going on, guys? So this is my first time filming my collections. This is my first time showing my face. I'm gonna try my best. I'm recording on my phone, so I don't know how the quality and the video is gonna come out, but I'm headed to my first location right now. As you can see, I'm loaded up. I'm gonna hit 6 today because 6 are my 1 week locations, so the other ones are on my 2 weeks. So I'm gonna show you as much as I can. I don't want to be in the location filming too much, so the managers and the employees there will start tripping and stuff like that. So I'm running low on gas, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna fill up right now, and I'll keep you guys updated. I feel like I'm here every day. So here's my drinks, sodas, stuff like that, and I have more stuff back here. Sometimes I gotta take another trip to Sam, sometimes I don't, so goddamn, my car's dirty. So I'm at my first location. The soda does a lot better than the snack. So there's 1, 2, almost sold out, almost sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out. So the snack, I got 3 things. Let's go ahead and open these up. So this is on the soda. I'll take that out right now. The snack doesn't do as great, but I mean, it still makes money, so this is it. So this is what I got from that one location. It's probably like 60, 70 bucks for the week, but I don't collect the change here. I actually don't collect the change out of all my routes for now. I'm doing it for a month, so I just got to my location number 2. It's a skate park and a community center. There's a middle school here, and this is the one that a lot of you guys asked me about. I mean, it's all caged up and stuff like that, so I'm gonna open it up for you and I'll show you guys a bit more. So here's the snack. Usually I sell more and a lot of coils are empty, but here's the change. I'm not gonna collect the change. Here's the dollar bills. As you can see, it's a lot. This location does pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. This is just for the snack. I gotta open up the soda and I gotta open up the ice cream, but the ice cream's out of order right now, so I don't know how it's gonna do. So that's what I just pulled out of the soda machine. Gotta refill Arizona, Mountain Dew. I had these all the way full to the top, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill them up. Need more water. Monster here is $3, so it's pretty good profit. Yeah, I just upgraded this to take 5s, and it pays off because there'll be 5s in here. I don't really want to show it because I'm out here outside, but coins, didn't get any coins except a couple that fell down there, but go ahead and refill this thing and get out of here. So from my last location, this is what I pulled in. So not bad. I didn't collect the change like I said, so I'm about to head up another location. I have it in here. So big old warehouse, but it sucks because it's a really small office that I have the vending machines in. Coke runs the rest, so I'm gonna go check it out, see what's in there. So this is the machine here. They cleaned it out pretty good. Here's the dollar bills. So maybe 20 or 30 bucks, but this is one of my smaller locations, one of my slowest ones, but I keep it just because I never have a problem here, so, and they're pretty cool. And this one's done, so on to the next. Let's go. So I just put these in here last week, and I didn't have enough stuff to completely fill them up, but this row was full, that was full. I know a couple things have sold, so we'll see exactly what has sold. That's a good amount. Change. And there's quarters down here. So these are two more of my machines here. It's at a break room of a pretty big spot. I was here like 2 days ago, so that's why. This is the change there. That's the cash there.
Thank you.
Now, go ahead and open this up for you guys. That's the change there. Dollar bills are a bit tricky. Those are the dollar bills there, so not too bad out of a week. Go ahead and pull these out too. This by far is my favorite machine. I got two of these. As you can see, all this stuff's like only got two, one. So I gotta fill all these up. Here's off of the soda and snacks, so not too bad. Plus all the change. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm not gonna collect that right now. So I just loaded up all the stuff I needed for this location. About to head back in. We go through water like crazy, so gonna head in, finish this day up. One of my other locations didn't let me film in there, so I wasn't able to show you guys what the machines look like or a collection or anything like that, but I'll go ahead and I'll recap. What's up, guys? So I just got home. There's some stuff that gotta clean out of my car, but for the most part everything's gone. Just got a box of chips there, that couple packs of soda. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how much I collected, and I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll let you guys know in like 30 minutes. So the total for today, the change is around $53, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. There's 10 fives here, so that's $650, and this is $24, so $674 plus the $60 and change makes it $723. I think that math is right. So $723 for the week. I mean, not that bad. I have some slow locations, some good ones. This here was from 6 locations. 3 good, 1 alright, and 2 are slow. So it's not my full route, but just wanted to give you guys a little insight. I know it's shitty quality because it's on my phone, and I didn't hit all the locations. I don't have anyone to hold the camera or anything like that, so I could get good footage for you guys. So it's just all by my hand, and a lot of times there's employees and stuff in there which I can't sit there and just talk for hours and hours about the machines and stuff like that. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave any comments down below that you guys have any questions. Let me know. But until next time, peace.